I have bad news for crypto.com and Binance. Guys, I am not a
financial advisor, does for education purposes only.
But I do have some news for you, and you can make your own opinion off that. So let's get straight in. Guys, over on moneycontrol.com, okay, we're talking about Bitcoin. It's such a well-known cryptocurrency to invest in. You need to understand the technical analysis behind Bitcoin. After all, without technical analysis, trading cryptocurrencies become a dangerous guessing game. All right, this is actually a really good blog for you to get into, right? It's a bit technical, but it's meant to actually help beginners understand the basics of Bitcoin, how technical analysis can actually help them make an informed decision. Guys, if you want to be a successful investor in cryptocurrencies, this is the blog to get started with. All right, hit that link down below. There's moneycontrol.com. That's what you want to be getting involved in. Now, let's have a look. Why should beginners begin with Bitcoin? If you're new to the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, it can get overwhelming to filter out reliable cryptocurrencies from unreliable ones. All right, things like most decentralized cryptocurrency, that's the reason you should trust Bitcoin. Deflationary token, another reason you should trust Bitcoin. Publicly available white paper, proof of work, crystal clear tokenomics, all facts that you should be trusting with Bitcoin, okay? Now, technical analysis and an overview on the broader spectrum of things. There are two kinds of Bitcoin investors. One, holders, is what I am, okay? My main focus is holding. People who buy Bitcoin with no intention to sell for several years. They hold it forever. It doesn't matter if it goes up, down, sideways, whatever. Then you've got traders. People who buy Bitcoin intending to sell it quickly at a profit. If you want to grow your money faster than traditional methods by investing in Bitcoin, holding your technical analysis skills is critical. So you're trying to predict, you're learning with your educated guesses where the market is moving through news, through hype, through everything, and capitalizing on that, okay? And that's a really good way to make money if you can do it right. Now, it uses the concept of price patterns from the past and technical indicators to analyze the charts and predict the future movements in price. This can actually be applied to any market, including cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, as you can see on here, indicating what trends that are going on throughout the charts. When done right, analysis actually helps you accurately predict the lows and highs of Bitcoin prices over different time periods. Such predictions will help you make educated and data-driven decisions on buying Bitcoin at a good price and selling at a profit. Now, we've gone over to roots.com talking about audit firm hold, okay? Now, December the 16th is when this happened. French auditing from Mazars said on Friday, on December the 16th, that it paused all work for clients in crypto business, reflecting a broader sentiment in global high finance industry as companies distance themselves from the beleaguered sector. Now, Paris-based Mazars was hired the month before that by major crypto exchange Binance to perform so-called proof of reserves check on its Bitcoin holdings. Now, the firm of the month of December actually found that exchanges reserves on a single day in late November were over collateralized. Now, that's later deleted the webpage containing a report published on December the 7th, and you can actually check that out. So Mazars has paused its activity relating to provisions of proof of reserve reports for entitles into cryptocurrency sector due to concerns regarding the way these reports are understood by the public. This is said, proof of reserve checks are supposed to let users exchange confirm their holdings and including checks of blockchain data, and the exchange's reserves match clients' assets. They're not akin to a full financial audit. Okay. Now, a very interesting part, taking over to benziga.com, talking about trading bots. A cryptocurrency trading bot is an automated program that executes buys and sells orders with no manual input when specific pre-designed market conditions are met. Okay, the trading bot actually selection includes the following. Grid trading bot allows users to buy low and sell high in specific price range. Leveraged grid bot provides up to 5 times leverage. Spot futures arbitrage bot helps retail investors to make passive income with low risk. The estimated return for this is about 15 to, I think, 50% APR. Okay, Martingale bot performs DCA, which is dollar cost average. That's buy, one-time sell to capture fluctuation profit. And rebalancing bot helps you to hodl the profit. Okay, hodl the coins. Dollar cost average is probably, in my eyes, one of the best things you can do, especially while we are dropping in the crypto market. So you can start to see, guys, how this affects crypto.com and Binance, big companies like that with bots coming out, all the different information that we can find. So please let me know in the comments what you thought. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.